guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Seana, and today I am going to be starting my spring cleaning. I am starting in my kids' bathroom, so today I am going to be walking you through cleaning the bathroom from top to bottom. I hope this gives you some encouragement, or maybe just keeps you some company, and let's get started. So the first thing I'm going to do is take off everything off the counter. I'm using this Sprayway glass cleaner. I love it because it's ammonia free and it really does never leave a streak for me. This is the first glass cleaner I have ever used that has absolutely no streaks afterwards. I was amazed after I used it, and I actually called my grandmother right away and told her, you have to go and get this cleaner because it is just that amazing. So next thing I'm going to do is get some Clorox disinfectant wipes, and I'm going to wipe down all of the surfaces. Usually I don't use these, but on a day like today where I'm really trying to give my bathroom a deep clean and really disinfect everything, I mean, there's nothing else you can use better than Clorox in my opinion. So I am going to be wiping down the sinks, the counters, the doors, the walls, and the cabinet doors. I really just want to make sure that nobody gets sick and everyone stays nice and healthy this spring break.
Man, you're looking good tonight. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. It's what you're doing, making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear my calling. There's no one else here that I see but you. It's what you're doing that's making me feel like I'm falling.
And if any of you guys watching this want to be my friend and follow me on Instagram, you can find me at Seana Nicole. And I would love it so much if you want to leave a comment to let me know that you've watched my video, or give me any feedback or tips, or just to chat. I'd love to get to know you. Let's be friends.
Do you want this too? 'Cause you've been
Okay, so back to business. After I've wiped down all of the surfaces and the door handles and the light switches and everything with Clorox wipes to disinfect everything, the next thing I am going to do is tackle my tub and shower. So the first thing I'm going to do is take everything out of the tub that's left there by my children and get all of the soaps and shampoos and everything off of the sides of the tub. Make sure that everything is cleaned off so I can really disinfect and scrub everything down.
so I can't get enough. Think about him all the time. I can get him off my mind. Oh, I want him to be mine, to be mine.
So I wanted to ask you guys if any of you have already had your spring break or when your spring break is. I always find it really interesting to see all of the different weeks that everyone has off. Here in Texas, our school is actually off next week, so we'll get started then. And if you guys are liking this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up for me and subscribe if you want to see more. I have a lot of really fun videos planned for the next couple of months, so I hope that you stick around and see what we have in store.
If you want all the way that I feel, yeah, I know that it's real.
Stumbling out of bed and I still got you.
Alright guys, the last thing that we are going to do is tackle the toilet. So first I'm going to clear all my cleaning products that I had accumulated on there off, and starting with Clorox wipes, I am going to wipe everything down, especially that gross handle that you use to flush, and I am just going to start from the bottom. No, I'm starting from the top. I'm starting from the top and going top to bottom. That is how I always do it, and I feel like it is the most sanitary I can possibly be. So I am changing up my wipes so that nothing gets cross-contaminated or spreading germs everywhere, and we're just going to get everything clean.
I 'cause I don't wanna slow this down. My heart is screaming out your name. I'm wasted on you. Here we are, right underneath the stars. So let's get a little reckless. You make me breathless.
Yay! We are all done. This looks so great. I got a new sign to hang above my toilet. I love it. We're finally getting some decor in here. I've had blank walls since I moved in a year ago. So this is really making everything come together and look a little bit more fresh. A great way to start off my spring cleaning.
Ain't nobody like you. Look so beautiful, and I'm so lucky to be yours. And you're taking me high. Ain't nobody like you. I'm not coming down. Ain't nobody like you. I could go.
There it is. We did it, you guys. We tackled the bathroom top to bottom, and I really hope that this just gives you some encouragement to get a kickoff and start your spring cleaning. So thank you guys so much for watching. I really love to get to know all of you. Leave a comment and let me know what you thought, and if you have any advice or tips or anything going on in your life that you just want to share. I'd love to get to know you guys. And don't forget, you guys, I post videos on Mondays and Thursdays, so I'll see you next on Thursday.